Alright everyone, and now we are back in with the final test, final charging test, and final update video for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. So it just hit 20% and I just ran over and dropped it on the charger. So this is going to be the final charge test here. We're going to charge it from 20% to 100, and that will be a wrap on the update slash charging test videos for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Now, as I always do, I'll have the charging times thrown up in post, but I have to tell you guys, and I'm probably going to reiterate this in the full review, but I've had this watch for a little bit over a week, and I absolutely love this watch. I love all the capabilities, I love all the tracking, but this watch, as with my other Samsung Galaxy Watch, it has one major downside, and that is the battery life. Now, try as I might, I couldn't get more than 2.5 days on a single charge with this watch. And coming from a watch like the CMF Watch Pro, where I was easily getting a good 7 to 11 days on a single charge, you really do feel the difference in battery life. You really do feel it. But you also feel the difference in performance. Coming from the CMF Watch Pro, there's a noticeable bump up in performance. There's a noticeable bump up in the smoothness and seamlessness of the software and the hardware integration. This right here is a great smartwatch. I just wish the battery life was better. And I swear that's exactly what I said for my last Samsung Galaxy Watch that I reviewed. It was a great watch. I just wish the battery life was better. I shouldn't have to charge something every day. I shouldn't have to charge something every 2 days. Things should get you realistically, especially if it's in the watch form factor, it should get you at least a week. And we're not talking a business week. We're not talking 5 days. We're talking a standard week. We're talking 7 days. Especially in this form factor. So I am really bummed out about the battery life on this watch, but it's still a great watch. Anyways, I hope you guys and gals have been enjoying the continued coverage, and I hope everyone finds this video helpful, and I'll see you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. Alright, I think now I can just relax and use this watch like I regularly would and stop having to come out with these updates. Now, I'll come out with another update video if there's an issue, but if there's no issues, the next video you guys and gals will see on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, if it's not another watch band, will probably be the full review in about, let's see, I've had it for a week, so I still need to use it for 3 more weeks because I like to use the smartwatches and smart bands for at least a month, so I got to use it for 3 more weeks before I come out with the full review. So yeah, have a good one, everybody. Hope everyone's staying safe out there, and I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one. We're out of here. Peace.